Hi and welcome to my channel. This is not going to be a regular wig review. As you can probably tell by now, I am coming to you barefaced because I am going to do a quick get ready with me everyday makeup tutorial. It will feature products from Boxycharm from about the last couple of months. So let's get right into it. Now, I am going to go in with my foundation. So I'm starting with Maybelline foundation. I know there are so many other foundations out there, but this has been my tried and true foundation. I love the way it looks. I also use regular sponges. Brushes irritate my skin. I have very sensitive skin. So yeah, we're just gonna pat and blend it in. I don't know if I mentioned this, but I am using the color 330 Toffee Caramel in the Matte Poreless Foundation from Maybelline. So that's the color that I'm using. I know it looks kind of light on camera, but I promise it looks normal in real life. I'm in front of my ring light. So yeah, that's how it dries after settling for a little bit. And I really like it because it covers your pores, but it still looks like skin, if that makes sense. So now to do my eyebrows, I'm going to be using my Lavish brush set, and I got this in last month's Boxycharm box. I use it to do my eyebrows. Now, if I'm going to be able to do my eyebrows on camera is the question. Of course, I'm going in with an angled brush, and it was just too much. Like, I couldn't really do it in front of the camera, so I did have to step away. But once I got it done, I added concealer on the top and the bottom of my eyebrows. So the colors that I used were Pretty Vulgar, which I got from Boxycharm, in the color Undercover, the middle ground, color number 63. And then I also use my NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop concealer, and I use that in the color, let me see, golden, the color golden. So now what I'm doing is blending in those areas where I put the concealer on the bottom of my eyebrow and the top. So now I'm just going to go on my chin, under my eyes, on my forehead, just to conceal those dark circles that I had in the beginning of the video. And I have the worst allergies today, which is why my nose is kind of red, but I'm gonna conceal that. And once that is all on there, I'm going to blend, blend, blend. So as you can see, I'm going in and just making sure everything is smooth on my skin. I don't really like a super bright highlight. I feel like that's too much. I just want it to conceal really. And I do also sometimes go over my conceal with Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette in the color medium and Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick in the color amber. And I do that just for extra coverage. In this case, I didn't really need it, but I do use those products pretty faithfully. So now that everything's on, I have added some finishing powder. I don't know if you can see it on my chin and on my cheek, but that's what I use just to kind of set everything. I let it sit for a minute. I do use Maybelline finishing powder as well. I just like to match brands, and I use it in the color medium deep. So that's on there. And then to contour, I use NYX again, the concealer in the color walnut. So I use that to kind of just carve out my cheekbones and any areas where I want there to kind of be a shadow. And then I just go ahead and blend that so that it looks like my cheeks are just popping out, and it also adds some color to my face so it's just not all one tone. So once that is done, my favorite part of doing makeup for some reason is blush. So I use two blushes because I like them together. I am going to start off though with the Ofra Cosmetics blush, and I got this in my Boxycharm box, and it has a blush and highlighter and a little bit of a bronzer color in it. And I put it on the cheekbones. I believe it's an Ofra Cosmetics collab with Madison Miller. Okay, so now I'm just blending my blush. So I think I mentioned this, yeah, I mixed the two blushes. So I used NARS with that Ofra Cosmetics blush because I like the color. And I will add the color of this blush down in the description box. NARS is where it's at. So next I'm going in with my second favorite part of getting ready, which is my highlight. So Laura Geller. I absolutely love Laura Geller anything. The minute I put it on my skin, it's just like shiny, 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 shiny. Even like just the lightest brush tip and your sparkles are popping. Like my brow bone, I like to do my nose. I like to do my cheeks, obviously, to make my blush color pop. I just do it anywhere where when the sun hits or the light hits just right, we give it a little sparkle. And it's just like you hardly need any for it to really, really pop. So next, for my eyeshadow, I'm going in with my Urban Decay Naked palette, and I'm going in with the color Nooner. So I'm just doing one shadow for my eyes. I don't want to do extra right now. I'm really going for soft glam since I'm using the soft glam palette. And this is what it looks like. Just makeup, concealer, foundation, the base. I am not even going to attempt to do my lashes on camera. I'm just going to put them on off camera and put a little bit of lip color on. So I will be right back. It is so hard, like beauty gurus, I give you so much credit because it is so hard to do your makeup and like be all up in the camera. It's just, it is so hard, but I will be right back. This is how it is looking so far. So now I'm just going in with some mascara, and this is Pretty Vulgar mascara. I got it from Boxycharm. I tell you, like, I've only had them for like 3 months and they've given me so much makeup. So I recommend you go ahead and sign up. But also, as a confession, I added a little bit more of a dark shadow to my eyelids, and I used the color from my Soft Glam palette, the color Dark Side. Okay, so this is how it turned out when all was said and done. So that is it for this tutorial. It was kind of hard doing my makeup on camera, but I'll get better at it. Thanks so much for watching, and it wouldn't be my channel if I didn't let you all know what wig I have on. A sensational wig. I got it from Wig Types. I believe it's Dashley Unit. I think it's 7 or 8, and I have it in the color number 2. Yes, that is it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Okay, bye.